supposed to start this vlog yesterday, but I could not. This vlog is gonna be my Cape Town vlog. You're traveling Cape Town with me, and the logistics of me moving from Durban coming to Cape Town where there was just a lot going on, so I couldn't start the vlog yesterday. A side note, I wouldn't recommend road tripping to Cape Town to anyone, guys. It is the pit, the ghetto. I left Durban yesterday at around about 6:30, and I'm only arriving in Cape Town today at, what time did I arrive? Like an hour ago. I don't know what time is it now, but like more than 24 hours on the road, simply because the route that we took was the one that we are not used to, because the one that we used to, there was construction on the road. So this one was the longer route, plus we got lost in the process, so plus we need to rest on the way and stuff like that. So it was so tricky, so I would not. And our booking, like, that was just a lot. So now I'm exhausted. I'm just gonna eat. I ordered food. I'm just gonna eat and sleep, and then I will start vlogging properly tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing because I'm gonna be here for some time, so I don't know. But yeah, for now, good night.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Ooh, today's a new day. Ooh, but there is no sunshine. Literally, there's no sunshine in Cape Town. Anyway, how y'all doing? Today's a new day, and I woke up not so long ago. I was so exhausted, guys. So now I took a shower and I'm going to the shops. I'm going to get some things that I'm going to need. Just things that I can have in my apartment. And then I'll come back. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I honestly don't know. The weather is bad. I don't know what I'm going to do today. But if I'm going to do something, then we are going to, But for now, I'm just going to the shops and we're going to get some few groceries. So camp with me. Yo fam, welcome back to my vlog. Guys, you won't guess what just happened to me. So I come back from the stores, the lift is not working. I had to walk up to 7th floor. I am so tired. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Just a few things that I got. I had to buy the Krispy Kreme donuts. I had to